Hi, I'm Kelly, product manager here at Datadog. Last year, we launched Flex Logs, decoupling storage from compute so that you could bring in more logs to solve new use cases, all while staying within budget. Just Eat Takeaway, an online food ordering company, uses Flex Logs to achieve full visibility across their stack, cutting MTTR and reducing revenue loss on missed orders. They're just one great example among many. In less than a year since launch, teams are now storing over 100 petabytes of data per month, making Flex Datadog's fastest growing product in history. We're just getting started. You told us you need logs for years to comply with audits, investigate zero-day security breaches, and perform compliance reviews. When you're being pinged by 3 different teams for hourly updates, efficiency matters, and context switching only slows you down. That's why I'm thrilled to introduce Flex Frozen, a new long-term storage tier designed for historical reporting and regulatory requests. Keep your logs fully managed in Datadog for up to 7 years, where you have one platform for DevOps, security, and compliance use cases. That's not all. We're also simplifying how you discover and analyze these logs. I'm excited to announce Datadog Archive Search. A powerful new way for you to find log insights regardless of where that data lives. Let's play it out. My compliance team just asked me to pull a user activity report spanning back 3 years. Whether I'm leveraging Datadog storage, such as our new Frozen tier, or my own S3 bucket, where I already have years of archived data, I now have the same consistent search experience, where I can easily find relevant logs over any historical time frame. Within seconds, I'm getting data back from my external archives without having to write the perfect query upfront or wait for a lengthy rehydration job. Once I'm happy with the results, I can set up a full CSV report to land right in my auditor's inbox. Archive Search makes it easy to produce reliable reports when you're under time pressure or scrutiny. But for those inevitable follow-up questions, you now have Datadog Sheets. Eliminate the endless emails and exports with a native spreadsheet solution built right inside Datadog. Opening my results in Sheets, I don't have to worry about syncing my data or managing multiple CSV files. Pivot tables allow analysts and auditors to quickly summarize or drill down into data. For example, I can break down my earlier audit logs by different dimensions, such as team, user, or country. Sheets is great for this kind of slicing and dicing or building real-time reports. But for deeper analysis and multi-step investigations, I need a different kind of tool, one that supports storytelling. Last year, we introduced log workspaces to transform log data and build multi-step analyses on the fly. We're extending these same capabilities to notebooks, your home for interactive graphing and collaborative analysis. The key is that I can now bring together all my different telemetry and context, logs, APM spans, metrics, and more into one unified canvas. Transforming these different data sets is easy, with intuitive one-click operations that allow me to parse, aggregate, or filter. Tasks that used to mean exporting data outside of Datadog or re-instrumenting upstream apps are now as simple as applying a formula. Best of all, notebooks help you collaborate better with your team. Whether you're reviewing, leaving a comment, or starting a discussion, you can do it all just like you would with your favorite real-time editor. Working together, your team can get to insights faster. But actually, I have one more teammate in here, one who knows this data inside and out. Bits AI is now integrated right into notebooks. When I ask for help with reviewing user access patterns, watch as Bits jumps into data analyst mode, adding in relevant metadata, writing SQL queries, and visualizing the final result in a logical, easy-to-follow chain. I can take this final output and save it to my favorite dashboard, or continue working hand-in-hand with Bits and my team. Notebooks offers a new paradigm for advanced analytics with full context, powerful computational abilities, and real-time collaboration. But one more thing. For those of you with existing queries in tools like Splunk, where you rely on piped query syntax, check this out. If I copy and paste an SPL query into a notebook, Datadog automatically understands and translates it for me, recreating the same time series graph in seconds. Welcome to the future. Everything we've covered today stems from a simple belief that more data should never mean more complexity or work. We're reimagining the way you interact with logs, from retention all the way to resolution. Visit the link on screen to learn more or to sign up for early access. Thank you, and I'll pass it back to Sarah.